Well, look who it is.
Hey,
How you doing, tough guy?
what's your problem?
I told you not to get too fucking clever.
What? Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Start walking. Downstairs.
Okay, I'm going.
That's right. Gentlemen?
What the fuck is going on here?
Fucking hell! Stop that shit, asshole!
Anything yet?
Nah.
Burn him again. Where's my fucking stuff? You see, Genius over here would rather get creme brulee before he dies. Hopefully you ain't so stupid. Where's my stuff?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Fuck you! What are you, fucking deaf? Where's my fucking stuff?
I don't know.
Who do you think you're bullshitting?
A bullshitter?
That's funny.
You're gonna have to cut that shit out, Ray. It's not fucking cool.
I fucked Ashley, my friend, and now I'm gonna fuck you. Where's my fucking stuff?
Fuck off, Ray.
Go ahead.
Drop the fucking gun, goon!
No!
I'll cut him!
No.
Back the fuck up! Back up!
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, run like a couple of girls. Billy was right about both of yous. Backstabbing fools. Good, I got guys in every corner. Where you gonna go? I'll see you later!
I gotta go talk to Ashley.
I'm gonna go get the fucking brothers.
Okay, we're out of here. Hot damn, baby girl. Your friend Ray ain't so friendly.
Johnny K, you're all right. I'm sorry, sweets. I think Ray sent some guys after you.
Of course he is, baby. Thanks for the heads up. Meet me outside the house, okay? I'll be there if I'm still walking.
Oh, wait, maybe.
Hey, Matt, what would you do if you had an unknown number of mobster hitmen on your tail?
Shit, that called me. Then I'd lead those suckers over to, Kanicki Avenue, maybe. Then I'd hope the hell my friends was waiting for me.
Come on, you Guido pussies!
Come on, asshole! Slow, asshole!
Time to party! Your muscle for a fucking slime ball! You mafia fucks are a joke! The Guido population's about to take... me no more about family than you Italian cocksuckers! Sorry! The Brits died before you got...
In 200 yards, turn right. Turn left.
What's going on?
I'm sorry
For which bit?
for everything. He told me everything. Me and Ray ain't friends no more.
Me and Ray neither, sugar.
Johnny, I got some bad news. Jim, he ain't...
Oh, no. Oh, man. Not Jim. Fuck this. Angus is crippled and Billy gone insane. Now Jim's dead. I guess that's what they call payback.
You got me.
I don't got you. Crystal got you, babe.
Johnny, I'm gonna quit.
Yeah, and I'm an idiot believing in your bullshit all this time.
It ain't your fault.
It's my fault I'm a fucking moron.
I'm gonna go to rehab, straighten myself out. Anyhow, he told me you wouldn't get hurt. I wouldn't have done it otherwise.
Yeah? Well, why shouldn't I kill you?
Why bother? I'd be better off dead. But Johnny, Ray ain't the problem.
What are you talking about? Are you telling me that a backstabbing mob guy who wants to kill me ain't the problem?
It's Billy.
Ugh.
See, it's Billy. Ray, it turns out that Billy was trying to poison him against you, and now apparently Billy's going states. He's gonna blame you. I'm sorry.
Well, what now?
You gotta get someone to help you. Maybe that congressman.
Maybe. We'll see. Go on and get out of here.
I love you, Johnny K.
You're speaking a foreign language to me now, lady. Now get the fuck out of here. I'm not in the mood to do any killing for the supposed elite today. You're gonna have to get your own hands dirty, Stubbs.
Oh, spare me the lectures. This is important, Jonathan. Important enough for me to come down from my ivory tower and rub elbows with you blue-collar types on the wrong side of the West River. Meet me at your clubhouse. I drink single malt.